Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest Android screen for a BMW X1 that it didn't come with any screen in the car. And this is the latest screen with 1920 by 720 resolution. It's 2K screen, and it's right now it's connected to the Apple CarPlay. So basically we're doing wirelessly Apple CarPlay. You can see the high resolution of the screen. It's super fine with anti-reflection. That's the iDrive knob for controlling the screen. These are real reflection of the colors. If you're interested to get these type of high resolution BMW screens, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294.